This is Heston Cleveland
and Ricardo Love.
And this is the Indy Hookup.
The Indy Hookup.
Hook me up, baby.
We got the hookup for you. For show now. The hookup on playlist. The hookup on radio. The hookup on internet radio. The hookup on interview. The hookup on college radio. The hookup on information you need. The Indy
Hookup.
And welcome to the Indy Hookup. What's up, Hass?
Ricardo.
Yes, sir.
Check this out, family.
What you got?
My old partner.
Mm-hmm.
One of the first influencers I met online. Mark Bradley. eTunes Music.
Okay, eTunes.
The best free online promotion on the other side of the pond.
Yeah.
You know, I noticed if you get your music played over there, it'll go much further.
Yeah.
For some reason, they seem to love music more than we do here now.
Yeah, it's about the music there.
But look, family, I got to tell you, he came at me with an idea of doing a top weekly 20 countdown. You know, that's right in our range, family. You know, we know independent artists from all over the world.
Yeah.
And we put together a list. It's gonna start the day before this show is aired. But listeners, check out eTunes Music in connection with the Indy Hookup Top 20 Countdown.
Top 20 Countdown.
Starting every Sunday, we build. We're going above and beyond expectation, Ricardo.
'Cause that's what we do.
But you know what? I better start this list. Look. Carrie Cleveland, Love Will Set You Free. Brandy Little with a new one. It's called Friends. Right now, man, times is crazy. So we asked our number one artist to come back and bless us. Naru Quanah, Dear America. Transfusion, California Sands. Then my mama again, Ricardo. You know my dad, man. We celebrate my dad's going home. His birthday was this week. So we got Carrie Cleveland, Make Love to Me, the remix by You. Then You Again with Mia Moore, my favorite one by You, man. I'm sorry. Camille, Blood in Your Eyes. Naru Quanah, Going Vegan. Sonny Cole, Bubbling with Love. My Sister. Nadira Noor-Jahan, the Queen of Rose. My girl all the way from Nigeria, Priya Beauty, Flying High. Then we got a new one, family. Jam Taco, Break Your Closed Door. I kind of like that, family. eTunes introduced us to him. But you know what, man? I've been knowing him for a long time. Just hadn't taken the time out to listen to the music. Then my Starbucks buddy, Stella Soleil. Hello. My niece, Mac Millie, She Wants. And my partner from the Buku family, singing that sex symbol song, Harold Kill, Wet Like the Rain. I don't know what else is wet. I don't know, Ricardo. But look, family, We're looking forward to our venture with Mark Bradley, eTunes Music. That's a good guy right there, Ricardo. Real good guy. You know what, man? I guess I better run through and tell them what we do for the independent artists. Mixing, mastering, ISRC code, videography. My man Ricardo can do it all. He can sing. He can rap. He can do it all. One-stop shop, the Indy Hookup. Ricardo, tap that man on the shoulder and tell him to tell them who we are.
The Indy
Hookup.
Up now, Carrie Cleveland, Love Will Set You Free. Brandy Little with Girl's Best Friend.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you to the public humiliation. Thank you to the pain. Thank you to the fake lovers, fake friends. Thank you. It is because of you a diamond was created. Pressure turned me into a diamond. Yeah. Sacrifice made me shine. Sacrifice made me shine. Friends turned into enemies. Had lovers take all the good from me. All that weeping that night gave birth to a god. Diamond, I'm a diamond. Yo. Diamond is a girl's best friend. Struggle made me love myself. No one can do it better. Diamond is a girl's best friend. Yeah. We shine, no matter the condition. No matter the condition. We hide. I had to move through the storms of life. All the storms. Even when they lied on me. Even when they stole from me. Even when the world turned its back on me. It was so cold when they turned it back on. A girl's best friend became a diamond. Those big old diamonds. Oh, those big old diamonds. Big old diamonds. The sacrifices made me a diamond. Oh, diamond is a girl's best friend. Diamond is a girl's best friend. Struggle made me love myself. No one can do it better. Diamond is a girl's best friend. Diamond is a girl's best friend. We shine, no matter the conditions. We hide.
It's a better brand to Brandy, I like your shine. It's a rhinestone, black pearl, it's your time. You didn't know you was a diamond in the rough. Life is tough enough to give you this self-love. Hug yourself till you can't get enough. You don't wanna get enough of this kind of love. Girl, stretch your stuff. Take a trip to the moon, go up. Let me hear your voice sing from above.
Thank you. It is because of you a diamond was created.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Naru Quina with Dear America.
Dear America, I got something to say. I'ma put it in this song. Hope you're feeling me. Time for change. Naru Quina. Tell me something, America. Do you want peace or do you want pieces? Willing to act now or just wait for Jesus? We too comfortable, but we must revolt. No faith in the system, so we don't vote. This is real talk, not politics. We out of order, y'all. I mean, the world is sick. Capitalism, that won't save you. Open your eyes up, gain a new point of view. Racist people singing the same song, like Rodney King said. Why can't we get along? Illegal immigrants, call them pilgrims. No love for the natives, so you killed them. Then you took their land. You think that we forgot? Open your shirt collar. I know it's getting hot. You point your finger at what others do. That only means that 3 more pointed back at you.
America, I'd really like to have a talk with you. Dear America, it's not just what you say, but what you do. Dear America,
We need a new flag, new anthem, new song that won't remind us of when you did my people wrong. New money too, minus the slave owners. We ain't forgot when you used to sick them dogs on us. Strange fruit on the trees. Killed if you ran, whipped if you tried to read. No reparations for 400 years. This country's built on our blood, sweat, and tears. Can't forget my native folks, they was here first. They lived in harmony with the planet Earth. Now there's global warming, trash everywhere. Dear America, do you even care?
America, I'd really like to have a talk with you. Dear America, it's not just what you say, but what you do. Dear America.
Sometimes it feels like America is suffering from collective amnesia. They forgot their history of what they did to people all around the world. Now they wanna act like the watchdog of the whole damn nation. Wake up. Wake up. You're America. Narukwana. You're America.
We don't understand that we're dealing with an entrenched enemy that's both physical and non-physical. We're dealing with physical entities that seek to destroy and or subjugate or keep us in a second-class status. But we're also dealing with a non-physical enemy that's in our heads. We don't understand how deep deconditioning is. We don't understand that this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. We don't understand that it is not going to happen overnight. We don't understand that this is chess, not checkers. If we want to have things that we are owed, if we want to have things that we think we deserve to have, then you gotta put a system, a plan, a strategy in place so that that thing can happen at some point. A lot of us don't want to put in on a feasible solution because we won't be around or alive to see it come to fruition, come to fruition, come to fruition, come to fruition, come to fruition.
The Indy
Hookup.
This is California Sands by Transfusion.
Dancing barefoot under the blazing sky. White sands burning, but I'm flying high. The ocean's whispers call my name again. Secrets rolling in with the tide's refrain. Golden rays paint a story on my skin. California beach is where dreams begin. Every wave crashes like a song I know. The rhythm of the sea makes my spirit glow. On the hard white sands I'll take my stand with the sun, the sea, the salt and land. Standing free with wind in my hair. California hearts beating everywhere. Hands stretched wide into a blazing light. Footprints vanish with the coming night, but the fire in my soul will forever remain, like the memory of dancing in the ocean's domain. The scent of salt, the taste of dreams, a world alive with midday beams. California sands, they kiss my toes where the story ends. Nobody knows. On the hard won sands I'll take my stand with the sun, the sea, the salt and land. Standing free with wind in my hair. California hearts beating everywhere. take my stand with the sun, the sea, the salt and land. Spinning free with wind in my hair. California hearts beating everywhere.
This is Kameen 23 with Blood in Your Eyes.
Blood in your eyes. You can run, you can hide, but I won't stop till I see the blood in your eyes. In your eyes, your eyes. So you can run, you can hide, but I won't stop till I get back what's mine. What's mine, what's mine? You thought you were slick, ooh, but the last time I saw right through you. You thought you were cool, yeah, but I gave you the right key to the wrong room. And now you're so doomed. You can run, you can hide, but I won't stop till I see the blood in your eyes. In your eyes, your eyes. So you can run, you can hide, I won't stop till I get back what's mine. What's mine, what's mine? You should get your affairs in order. You should, you should. You should get a head start out of time. I won't stop. You must not know I'm a warrior. I'm on your head. For the rest of your life, you'll be looking round. You can run, you can hide, but I won't stop till I see the blood in your eyes. In your eyes, your eyes. So you can run, you can hide, I won't stop till I get back what's mine. What's mine, what's mine? You can run, you can hide. 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 You can run, you can hide, but I won't stop till I see the blood in your eyes. In your eyes, your eyes. So you can run, you can hide, but I won't stop till I get back what's mine. What's mine, what's mine?
The Indy
Hookup.
Spinning back on Naru Kuna with Going Vegan.
Yeah. Naru Kuna. Hip learning. We back. Yeah. Told them I was going vegan. Fools started laughing. They really weren't believing. Yeah. Told them I was going vegan. Had to break it down. Had to give them all the reasons. Yeah. Told them I was going vegan. Fools started laughing. They really weren't believing. Told them I was going vegan. Had to break it down. Had to give them all the reasons. You can keep it drink and you smoke. All I want is plant-based food down my throat. Yeah, I be sipping on tea, content Aston B. No coffee, no sugar, no meat at all. And I ain't really missing it, y'all. Plant-based food on mine. Yeah, and I'm doing just fine. No beef, no chicken, no swine. I ain't eating nothing that swim or fly. Plant-based, baby, that's the way to eat. I ain't been sick in 100 weeks. Season up my food, I ain't missing nothing. It smells so good coming out of my oven. Naru Kana, Oakland, Cali, hip learning. Cooking up this vegan cuisine, I be burning. Told them I was going vegan. Fools started laughing, they really weren't believing. Yeah, told them I was going vegan. Had to break it down, had to give them all the reasons. Yeah, told them I was going vegan. Fools started laughing, they really weren't believing. Told them I was going vegan. Had to break it down, had to give them all the reasons.
Back in the day, you used to look at my plate and say, where your meat D, where that heat be, Where's your protein? And I say, look at these. You see these here beans and these green leaves? They're better protein than your chicken wings. Muscles don't just come from meat. Go ask King Kong. Tell him that his peeps is wrong. Cause they are strict vegetarians. And they still out there scaring them. I can't believe it, Naru Quina. Remember you used to talk so much bad smack about my food? I just can't believe it. So to see you here now, eating the vegan life, guess who was right?
Told them I was going vegan, fools started laughing, they really weren't believing. Yeah, told them I was going vegan, had to break it down, had to give them all a reason. Yeah, told them I was going vegan, fools started laughing, they really weren't believing. Told them I was going vegan, had to break it down, had to give them all a reason. Walnuts and hemp seeds, that's what I eat. Y'all can keep that cheese, I don't want it in my teeth. No white bread, no hybrid wheat. Camid and Tef with garbanzo beans, that's what I'm eating on. Tell me that I'm wrong, I don't mess around with no GMO clones. Fast food, nah, I be cooking mine slow or eat it straight raw, that's the real way to go. Sipping on some ginger, elderberry and lime, agave nectar, now I'm feeling kinda fine. I told y'all before, straight vegan on mine. Feels so good, so I put it in a rhyme. I make my own pesto, waffles and hummus. It feels so good when it enters my stomach. Energy level be flying through the roof. Vegan life is healthy, I'm living proof. Told them I was going vegan, fools started laughing, they really weren't believing. Yeah, told them I was going vegan, had to break it down, had to give them all a reason. Yeah, told them I was going vegan, fools started laughing, they really weren't believing. Told them I was going vegan, had to break it down, had to give them all a reason.
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Sonny Cole with Bubbling with Love.
Sunday, Sunday.
I get that Sunday, Sunday feeling every time you come around, and I wake up with a smile on my face and the scent of you on my skin.
I will always want to wake up next to you and hear you call me boo. 'Cause me love you, feel true. Each and every little thing you do.
My cup runneth over, and I'm bubbling with love. My cup runneth over, and I'm bubbling with love. I get that Sunday, Sunday feeling every time you touch my hand. Oh, how I love those smiles from your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars.
When my world fell apart, you are the reason that I breathe. Live, hope and dream. Oh, how much this all means.
My cup runneth over, and I'm bubbling with love. My cup runneth over, and I'm bubbling with love. Sunday, Sunday, we're cutting along, hearing the children outside laughing. I'll be inside, waiting your love.
This is Nadir Noor-Jahan with the Queen Arose.
Seems I have lived twice my lifetime. I fell into the thick of it so many times. I cried out, Lord, why? But no one threw me a line, so I had to swing from the vine of endurance. And from the bowels of death, the Queen arose. The Queen arose from the grave. No, I ain't dead yet. So get this dirt up off of me, so I can be free. Because of the lies you told on me, it was harder, but I'm stronger. I don't have to do. Karma will come for you. Blood and tears fall to the ground. Sweat on my brow was lost, but now I'm found with my feet up on the ground. So when you look for me, look up to the sky. Never satisfied with running. I was destined to fly. But there comes a time when you gotta get up, get that dirt off your shoulders. Be stronger, be bolder. I got caught in the windstorm, down to my lovely bones. I was born, dirt in my eyes, silent cries, screaming inside. My poor heart got cut up, I couldn't throw my hands up. Great pain and high stakes, on my knees I prayed. But God made me a soldier, so he held on to my soul. They brought shovels to bury me, choked me so I can't breathe. But the Father never left me, his love has set me free. So keep on watching me and feel my testimony. I'm living my destiny, so get this dirt off of me. From the bowels of death, the Queen arose. The Queen arose from the grave. 'Cause I ain't dead yet. So get this dirt off of me, so I can be free. From the bowels of death, dirt off me. The Queen arose from the grave. You can't find me yet. Dirt off me, dirt up off the road, so I can be free. Get this dirt off me, get this dirt off me, get this dirt off me from the grave. Why get this dirt off me, this dirt up off the road, so I can be free. Look to the sky. The Queen arose from the grave. No, why get this dirt off me, this dirt up off the road, so I can be free. From the bowels of death, dirt off me. The Queen arose from the grave, baby. Why get this dirt off me, this dirt off the road, so I be free. Yeah, you can't buy me. Get this dirt off me. The Queen of Roses from the grave, from the grave. You can't buy me yet. This dirt off me. Get this dirt off me. The rose from the grave. I can be free.
This is Pre-Beauty with Flying High.
See me how they fly high tonight. Feel the rhythm in the sky, how they touch the stars so bright. Dancing through the night, feel the beats are taking flight. Music in my soul's alight. How they fly, we're soaring high. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. Energy in every move, feel the groove, we in the mood. Heartbeats in the drums we groove. We they fly, we never lose. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. Energy in every move, feel the groove, we in the mood. Heartbeats in the drums we groove. We they fly, we never lose. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. Hands up to the sky, feel the love you can't deny. We they fly, we never shy, reaching higher just like kites. Dancing through the night, feel the beats, we taking flight. Music in my soul's alight. How they fly, we're soaring high. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. Energy in every move, feel the groove, we in the mood. Heartbeats in the traffic groove. We they fly, we never lose. Energy in every move, feel the groove, we in the mood. Heartbeats in the traffic groove. We they fly, we never lose. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. See me how they fly, how they fly, how they fly, how the lights so high. Hands up to the sky, feel the love you can't deny. We did fly, we never shy.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Jam Takeo with Break Your Closed Door.
Can you tell me now what getting back? Ain't no way. It's blowing time.
This is Stella Soleil with Hello.
Once, a long time ago, when we first met, under bright lights and a circus tent, with colors and people moving way too fast. Hello, it's so nice to see your face again. Hello, it's so nice to see you. All good people find one another. Hello, it's so nice. I couldn't say just how much I needed you to rescue me. I was down and out in a rabbit hole. You pulled me up, dragged me from a drug that made the voices shout. Remember your home. So far out of my head and my element, I could not be. Now that I am home, I'm not alone, living my life right. I can breathe now. Hello, it's so nice to see your face again. Hello, it's so nice to see you. All good people find one another. Hello, it's so nice. It's so nice to see your face again. Hello, it's so nice to see you. All good people find one another. Hello, it's so nice. Hello, hello, hello.
The Indy
Up next, Ricardo Love with Me Amor.
Me amor, my love forever. Me amor, I love you. I love you. I love you. You are my love. Me amor, my love forever. You are my love. Ooh, you're the one I treasure. You are my love. Come on, let's do this love dance now. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, we can make it, baby. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, me amor, my baby. You are my love. Me amor, my love forever. You are my love. Ooh, you're the one I treasure. You are my love. Me amor, I love you. You are my love. I love you. I love you. I know others have failed to do what we do, but don't you worry, baby. I have faith in you. Do you have faith in me? We gon' live this love forever and ever and ever. I believe in you. Come on, let's do this romance now. Come on, let's do this love dance now. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, we can make it, baby. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, me amor, my baby. You are my love. Me amor, my love forever. You are my love. Ooh, you're the one I treasure. You are my love. Me amor, I love you. You are my love. I love you. I love you. Me amor, my love forever. Me amor, I love you. I love you. I love you.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Mac Millie, What She Wants.
She want a real man, not a broke guy, with some fashion and some sex drive, yeah. I got the drip drip, she love how I stay fly. Baby, hit my line and I will slide back, cause she just like me. She like the vibe, here's some new Nikes. I love a drip drip, ooh, I'm in love. I'ma show you what it is for the night. These shrooms got me feeling alright. My ex did me wrong, I'ma treat you so right. I put diamonds on her, never let the my roster. This about me and you. Know that our parents will never approve. That being said, we got nothing to lose. Only person that I ever gotta worry about is you. You covered in lies, already know the truth. See your friends, they gotta get you with the program. They be hella mad, they got no man. Hit it from the back on your OnlyFans. You want a real man, not a broke guy, with some fashion and some sex drive, yeah. I got the drip drip, she love how I stay fly. Baby, hit my line and I will slide back, cause she just like me. She like the vibe, here's some new Nikes. I love a drip drip, ooh, I'm in love.
Never two, cause he know I'm the one. And I ain't gotta clock in, cause the job is done. He said he fell in love, said he fuck with me. Diamonds on the band, now you stuck with me. I built the table when he slid with the plate. And we both got low, so we slicing the egg. And I can't even see a hater with a telescope. Gorilla glue, cause these hoes broke. Never feed him, let him starve, go hard on him. I see the drip diamond dancing like the stars on him. It's the vibe for me, and he know what I want, ain't gotta ask me.
She want a real man, not a broke guy, with some fashion and some sex drive, yeah. I got the drip drip, she love how I stay fly. Baby, hit my line and I will slide back, cause she just like me. She like the vibe, here's some new Nikes. I love a drip drip, ooh, I'm in love.
Up next, Hero Kill, Wet Like Rain.
warm kisses wherever we begin. As we knock the boots until the morning light. Down your thighs, across your knees, dripping off your ankles. Like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain. As we switched into positions we've learned, the whole time your sweet voice said please don't stop. Wise decision we made, 'cause I like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain. As I climb on you, you moan to me. Oh, baby. Like the rain, it's coming down. Gotcha. Wet like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain, 'cause I like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain, 'cause I like the rain, 'cause I got you. Wet like the rain. Wet like the rain.
GP the Boss present November 8th, gang gang.
And I be yelling out gang gang. Do you gang bang? I be outside with my gang gang.
Joe Moses.
Downtown Club Lago. Special guest GP.
GP, nothing soft, known to break them up. And I blast them in the neck for respect and make them come.
November 8th, we going crazy. Lago, 330 S Broadway. For tickets, go to eventbrite.com.
And I be yelling out gang gang.
No hostilities, no
I be
barriers.
outside with my gang gang.
The Indy Hookup. Advertise on the Indy Hookup. You got a business, you got a service, you got a product, then you need advertising. Radio is still one of the best way to advertise to get your business, your product, your service known. We'll produce a commercial for you that you also can use on your social media. We'll even add visuals to it for your social media posts. To get your commercial done, contact us at theindyhookup@gmail.com. That's INDY hookup@gmail.com. Get your commercial done today. The Indy Hookup.